Hello, welcome to the 10th week of the third quarter. This week we're going to do a map portrait. This will be due on March 11th, this Thursday. Here are some examples of what the map portrait will look like. We're going to print out several maps, and you're going to choose a map that you like and then add a drawing using just regular pencil, a number 2 or number 4 pencil, to very lightly draw out the face of a person on the map. And then you're going to use a ballpoint pen to cross-hatch that face and add the details. You'll want to be careful to interact with the different typography, or not typography, but the different line work that is shown on the map. So maybe you want to leave certain lines out, or put the drawing in a strategically good place, so that'll kind of maximize the effect of drawing on the map and seeing the underlying map showing through. Here are some more examples. On the image on your left of the female character or person, you'll see that the artist has used crosshatch line work, but also, like I just mentioned, they'll leave the negative space of the road or the line work untouched, so that they can use that as an interactive part of the drawing. You really see that on the bottom right with the image, the black and white image, where you see the road lines of the map kind of untouched or left unmarked. Here are the examples of the maps that we'll use, that we'll print out. If you are working from home, you can have the option of choosing your own map, but I think these work fine. There's a few more maps that are going to be used for this project as the background for the project. Finally, here are 4 images to choose from for this map project. Again, you can draw the people's faces and go ahead and leave the line work, so that you're not going to have the hard edge of the format from the photograph, the frame of the photograph, that hard edge showing through, but rather just kind of like these drawings here, have the cross-hatching fade into the map. Okay, so these 2 pictures and these 2 pictures here of the persons with their profile faces. Okay, once again, we're going to use just the map and a black ballpoint pen to add the cross-hatching of the details of the faces. And I'd like you again to draw first in pencil, very lightly, a schematic of where of the proportions, and correctly draw it in that face, of where you want to place that face on the map. And then on top of that, you're going to start doing the cross-hatching and fleshing out the details of the face with the ballpoint pen. And after you've completed the details and the ballpoint pen rendering, then go ahead and erase the pencil marks that are there. Incidentally, just a quick refresher on utilizing cross-hatching. You do want to make it a habit to draw your cross-hatch lines in a 45-degree angle. And here on the right is an example of what that looks like, a 45-degree angle. So I would draw the 45-degree angle, and then you're going to do a cross-hatch. You're going to do another layer of parallel lines going the other way, opposite, and another 45-degree angle. You can kind of see that with this image here. There's also a video that I've included in this week's lesson for you to look at, actually several videos for you to look at, that go over cross-hatching once more, kind of as a refresher course in cross-hatching and how that's accomplished, and utilizing and creating lights and shadows, highlights, core shadows, and that sort of thing, cast shadows with cross-hatching. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have fun this week, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.